QTRCO, the leader in actuator technology. QTRCO is pleased to demonstrate the local control option for our XRCISER partial stroke testing device. Here you see a complete partial stroke control system with local control. The power supply may be AC or DC and your choice of voltage. De-energizing the power at any time will cause full actuator travel as appropriate for your application. All types of linear and 1/4 turn valves of any size or pressure class are suitable for XRCISER partial stroke control. For demonstration purposes, a small single-cylinder 1/4 turn actuator is shown, but all sizes and types of QTRCO actuators are suitable for XRCISER control. Solenoid valve SOV1, when energized, supplies pressure to the primary piston and exhausts pressure from the primary piston when de-energized. Solenoid valve SOV2 supplies pressure to the tandem piston when energized and exhausts pressure from the tandem piston when de-energized. The contacts of a proximity switch on each tandem piston close when the tandem piston is fully inward, and the contacts of a single pressure switch close when the tandem piston is pressurized, thereby illuminating a readiness light. To prevent over travel, the circuitry prevents partial stroke testing when the readiness light is not illuminated. For demonstration purposes, we here simulate your air supply to the actuator. The local control box, which can be fully enclosed, includes the manual switch, readiness light, and fused circuitry that prevents failure of either solenoid valve from affecting the other. Both solenoid valves are energized and both pistons move inward when main power is supplied. Once the tandem piston is pressurized and moves fully inward, the readiness light illuminates, signifying that partial stroke testing is able to be initiated. Turning the lockable, three-way, self-centering manual switch counterclockwise initiates the partial stroke test. Allowing it to self-center completes the test, returning the actuator to its fully stroked travel position. Because a tandem piston serves as a dependable hard stop, partial stroke testing may confidently be repeated as often as desired. A significant benefit of the XRCISER partial control system is that in addition to having redundant actuator seals, the solenoid valves are redundant to one another. The failure of either will not cause undesirable actuator travel, and each can be replaced without taking the main valve out of service. Unlike mechanical, hard limit-based partial stroke testing devices, which must be manually disengaged, the XRCISER design automatically acts to cause full main valve travel should an emergency event occur, even in the midst of a partial stroke test or tandem SOV test. In summary, the QTRCO XRCISER offers full assurance against over travel during partial stroke testing, linear or 1/4 turn actions, SOV and actuator seal redundancies, local and or remote control, diagnostics options, 100% actuator torque output, low speed or high speed actuator travel, and operation with any size actuator, be it ductile iron or stainless steel. Simple, safe, secure. A partial stroke testing device that does everything you might ask of it, with none of the negatives inherent in all other available devices. XRCISER, the perfect partial stroke testing solution.